folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a demo of this foundation again, my holy grail. We're going to compare it to Rich Caramel. Okay folks, so I really want to compare Rich Caramel and Sandalwood to show you guys the similarities it has, because Rich Caramel is actually my winter shade and Sandalwood is my summer shade. Because one day I was wearing sandalwood. My friend was like, "Why do you look like that?" And I'm like, "What do I look like?" She was like, "That is not your foundation color." Shout out to you, friend. That's why I got this little sample size, because hello, it's free at Sephora if you get a little sample size. And I put it on, and ever since then, I've been rocking my real foundation color in the winter. So I'm going to put one on this side, another one on this side. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I just got this regular brush here. My favorite, got from Walmart. Just gonna put some on this side. And then I like to dab my foundation on first. I'm just gonna put one side over here. And then blend it all in. And really get the eye bags. Yeah, but eye too. Just get everything. Get my little widow's peak. Okay, so that's this side right here. And then I'm gonna do Rich Caramel on this side. I'm gonna use my finger. Don't judge me. No judging zone. Alright, so this is it. Rich Caramel and Sandalwood. This is crazy. Like, they really do kind of look the same, but this one is definitely lighter and this one's darker. It goes on so smooth. It glides so nicely. Put my concealer on. Cover these eye bags because this is not it. It's not it. This is a NARS Creamy Concealer again. It's a little bit orange, but I don't mind it. Then to finish it off, my holy grail, Huda Beauty. Yes, cinnamon bun. I live for this thing. Love it so much. Just gonna dab it, you know. Okay, then we're just gonna brush it out. Then this is it with my under eye concealer, and Huda Beauty eye bags is gone. Look at that. Hello. It's a new me. New KP Studios. Alright, and I'm going to get back to you with my eyebrows and my eyeliner done, because I want you guys to see how it looks on one side of Rich Caramel and on the other side, Sandalwood. I'll be right back. This is a finished look. What do you guys think? Did my eyebrows and my eyeliner. Didn't put lashes on because I don't know how to do that. Sorry. Yikes. But yep, I didn't do anything different. I just let it be with the Huda Beauty and the concealer. Rich Caramel on this side. Sandalwood on this side. Yep. Okay. Tell me what you think. Is it noticeable? Do you see any difference? I have the ring light right there, so maybe that's why the light is making this noticeable. Comment down in the comments and let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I just want to help you guys out because we're shopping online now because everything is closed. The mall is closed. So I just want to show you guys a comparison between Rich Caramel and Sandalwood. Thanks for watching.